What's going on, guys? It's the day of Import Alliance. A little overcast, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain. But about to head home after I eat something, pack up, and get ready to hit the road. So I'm almost there to Beach Bend Raceway right now. Pretty damn excited. Saw a lot of nice cars on the way. Austin gets done at work about 4 o'clock and he's gonna head up here and we're gonna have a good time. Very excited, very excited. Made it in. It took about 20 minutes to get through that line of cars on that little one lane road. So it took about 20 minutes to get in, but finally made it in. I gotta go find a parking space because I gotta piss.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Thanks, man. There he is. There he is. I thought he was in his truck. Day 2. Oh, where's Adam LZ? Well, guys, a little loud. It was a success. Day 2. Let me roll my windows up. Yeah, so day 2, success. Going through the gates on the exit right now, but pretty much spent the whole day trying to find a race. Couldn't get anybody to race, so we're headed out now. Maybe we'll catch somebody on the way out to have a little fun with. So yeah, a lot of nice cars. Next event that we're gonna do is gonna be a drift competition. We're gonna go to a drift comp. I'm looking at, I'm gonna list the car again. I'm gonna list the Jenny because I've decided that I'm gonna buy a 300ZX to start building and doing drift competitions. Obviously I know nothing about drifting, but we're gonna learn. And I don't know anything about engine work either, but we're gonna find out exactly what we can do. So while I was here, I listed the Jenny. I'm gonna see what I can do, see if I can get any money out of it, and I've decided on a 300ZX. My initial plan was to get a S13, S14, or S15, but I didn't really realize how expensive they were until I started looking them up. So that's definitely not gonna happen. But the drift competition that we're gonna go to, it's gonna be on November 9th and 10th. It's gonna be in Lebanon at the Nashville Motor Speedway. So gonna have a good time there. Had a great time at this event. Glad that we got to come, and my first Import Alliance was a success, and it was a lot of fun. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed seeing the cars. The next video is gonna be the drift competition that we go to. Thanks, you guys, for watching again, and catch you next time.